Welcome to Maki Planner. Our topic today is critical path analysis. So now we will analyze the owner supplied materials that is already delayed for delivery. So I will copy this baseline. This one, copy. Then I will paste here in critical path analysis. Paste. Okay. We will check the impact of the owner supplied materials. So just wait for a moment. Okay, so this one I will rename this one impacted. So now let's open the project. So first of all, go to project and maintain baseline. This layout is already prepared, impacted baseline. So as we can see, baseline duration, baseline project start, baseline project finish, impacted duration, impacted start, impacted finish, and also the total float. So first of all, I will copy this baseline project as a baseline. So this is also how to maintain baseline. So this one add. So first we will save a copy of the current project as new baseline. So we will copy this current project as a baseline. If you want, you can convert also another project as a baseline, but we will choose this one. So okay, just wait for a moment. Now it's okay, we have our baseline for this schedule. Okay, then go again to project, then assign baseline. This is how we will assign baseline. Project baseline, select this one. Primary, also select this one, then okay. Then now let's collapse all. So now we will go to this procurement, owner supplied materials. So this owner supplied materials is delay, not yet delivered at site. So we will check what is the impact on our schedule, on our baseline. So let's begin. I will update this impacted finish date. We will update the latest delivery schedule for owner supplied materials. So for the feed pump, December 9. So feed pump is the main pump. So let's go to main pump. So this one we will assign constraint to December 9. December 9. Okay, also here change December 9. Okay, now we will go to schedule. Let's see what will happen then. Schedule. Okay, now as you can see, December 9. So we will change again the other. So preheater and evaporator, October 22. This is the actual delivery. We will change this one. October. So preheater is belong to heat exchanger. So this one October 22. I will change also this one to October 22. This one October 22. Then schedule again. Schedule. Then water condenser. Check the water condenser. Water condenser October 25. Let's check the water condenser October 25. Go to status, then change the constraint to October 25. October 25, then run. Schedule. Then again this cooling tower. Cooling tower is October 29. So let's check October 29. This one other. This one October 29. October 29. Then run. Schedule. Then August 6, circulating water pump. August 6, circulating water pump, cooling water pump. Yeah, that is August 6. September, August 6. Oh, early delivery, yeah. Early delivery. Early. This is early. August 6. Let's check what is the impact on our schedule. In offline storage tank October 24. Let's dig acid dosage. This one acid dosage system. Acid dosage system December 25, but this one will come on February 3. February 3. Let's change this one to February 3. February 3. That is the latest delivery date. Okay. So let's check the impact on our schedule. So schedule. So as you can see, if you notice, the total plot is still 0. So we need to put a constraint to see what is the total float. So go to the project, then go to general, then go to dates, then we need to change this one to March 31, 2022. Overall project completion, because our overall project completion will be on March 31, 2022. As of now, the impacted finish is June 7. Overall project completion. So let's open this one. Project. Then click this one. Then change the impacted. We will put a constraint. Must be finished on March 31 to see the total plot. Okay. So now it's okay. Then go back to activities, then schedule again. Okay. So see, because of the owner supplied materials, the delayed delivery of owner supplied material, our total plot is negative 55 days. So our project will be delayed 55 days because of the late delivery of owner supplied material. Not all, some of the owner supplied material. So this is the impact. So we will filter the critical. We will check the critical path analysis. Critical path analysis. First, let's go to schedule. We have two options for critical path analysis. First, total float less than or equal to 0 hours. So we will set this one to 0 hours. We will filter the total float 0 hours critical. The true critical path is the longest path, but now we want to, if we want to see the longest path, that is the true critical path. So let's check the longest path. Yes, then schedule. So let's go to filter, then click the critical. See, so the acid dosing. Okay, let's expand. Okay, so as you can see, the critical path from owner supplied materials is acid dosing system. So this is the longest path. So this is our critical path, acid dosing system. So this is the longest path. As delivery of the equipment, delivery of the storage tank, acid dosage tank. So this is the critical path, longest path. So if we will filter the only the zero float critical path, so let's go back here, then total float, then close, yes, then schedule. Okay, then let's go back to filter, apply. Okay, as you can see, now let's open. So this is the, so we have a lot of critical path here. So this is our critical path: ORC system, balance of plant, building in grounds, other opportunities. So this is the critical path. So we will expand all. See, so the first one is condenser. So see, now this is our critical path: condenser, mechanical equipment, installation, mechanical piping, instrumentation. The second one is feed pump, mechanical equipment, delivery. So this is the cause of critical path, this late delivery of the owner supplied materials, acid dosage. But the longest path is this one, acid dosage tank, acid dosage. Okay, so firefighting, storm, roads and parking. So our pre-commissioning mechanical completion will be on March 9. March 9. So let's check our mechanical completion. So our mechanical completion will be on March 9, 2022. So that's all. Thank you for watching. I hope you learn how to analyze critical path if the delivery of equipment is delayed. So we cannot meet our schedule mechanical completion on December 31 due to late delivery of owner supplied material. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos and learnings. I hope you learn a lot.